All right, what is up, everybody, and welcome. I am so fired up today, and the reason I'm so fired up is because I'm finally getting a chance to launch this new podcast concept that I've been working on for quite some time. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jeff Welsh, and I am a digital marketing pro who has been working in the industry for quite some time. I've actually worked in creative for over 3 decades, but digital marketing specifically for over a decade, and I have had a tremendous amount of experience working in this field for quite a long time, building businesses myself and helping other businesses around the world continue to grow their online presence and drive traffic to their websites and convert traffic into sales. And the reason I'm excited today is because I'm finally getting to welcome all of you to the Conquer podcast, where we discuss digital marketing strategies that help you build the online business of your dreams. And if you're an entrepreneur building a brand online with social media, this podcast is just for you. And each week I'm going to deliver actionable steps to help you grow your audience, boost engagement, and turn followers into loyal customers. And so it's my goal now, guys, here to deliver a short, value-packed episode each week, lasting no more than about 20 minutes, right? I want to value your guys' time and make sure that I'm not trying to just kind of dominate and suck up your time, because I know everybody's time is super valuable. We have so many things that we need to complete each day in our lives, whether it be for our families or our businesses. But each week, I'm going to deliver 20 minutes worth of super valuable content that is going to help you make changes within your business. Or if you don't even have an online business yet, I'm going to guide you in a way where you can literally start today from nothing with no experience and start building your online business of your dreams, okay? And initially the episodes will be about once a week, and they're going to focus on strategies to grow your business. And I want to give you guys just a little bit of insight on some of the different types of topics that we're going to cover over the course of the episodes of this podcast. And so we're going to focus on, I'm going to deliver about 8 different topics here for you guys, just so you have a solid understanding of exactly what we're going to do. First, I'm going to focus a lot on organic social media strategies and how you can create content that attracts your perfect customer. And then next, we're also going to talk about things like landing page optimization. If you know nothing about landing page optimization, then it's perfectly fine. I'm going to teach you how to take various techniques and maximize the conversions of your traffic into customers, okay? We're also going to talk about things like conversion-centric advertising. We're going to talk about creating ads that convert, not just attract clicks to your websites, but ads that convert traffic into sales on your online presence, whatever that may be. It could be an e-commerce store, you could just have a single offer, or maybe you're trying to build your email list, whatever it may be, okay? We're also going to talk about things like utilizing analytics. We're going to talk about leveraging data to boost conversion rates, all right? Because if you're working on your online business, it doesn't do any good if you don't boost conversions, right? When I talk about conversions, I'm talking about completing the objective to whatever it is that you're trying to do. Like I said, building an email list. It might be getting somebody to click on a form and send you some information. Maybe it's a sale, whatever it may be. That's a conversion. We're going to look at how you can use the analytics that you acquire from your website and make really great decisions so you can increase your conversions. We're also going to talk about things like A/B testing essentials. We're going to talk about testing variations to find what converts best. For those of you that know nothing about digital marketing, this is kind of this is an area that is heavily focused on in just everything that you do, right? You want to create variations of a landing page, or variations of an ad, or variations of copy, variations of images, A/B testing, everything. You want to test everything, because ultimately you don't really know what's going to convert until you actually test things and see what your audience likes, okay, and what they click on and they actually move forward with. We're also going to talk about things like email conversion strategies. We're going to talk about designing emails that actually drive actions and convert customers on your sites. We're additionally going to talk about the psychology behind conversions. We want to thoroughly understand what prompts customers to take action on whatever that call to action is, or CTA, that you're requesting that they do. And finally, we're going to talk about things like mindset. We're going to go over methods to implement where it will be your best mental state, set you up for your best mental state so you succeed in your business, right? Because if you don't have the proper mindset, if you don't have a CEO mindset, you're not going to make progress like you're hoping and desiring to. So we'll also be having some interviews down the road with marketing experts as well as success stories from customers to give you some idea of some of the things that we can bring into the show, and we have done in the past in other shows. Is I have a digital ad agency. I have a team that works for me, and they work on clients around the country all the time. I'm going to bring those pros in, whether it be for my web team or my social ad team or my social media team, or whether it be from the email marketing team or the creative team, whatever. We're going to bring those people into some of these episodes so they can talk specifically on things that are going to help you grow your business, okay? Now, let's just talk for a few minutes on what sets this podcast apart from all other podcasts out there. First of all, my unique approach comes from being an experienced creative for over 3 decades. I have worked in the creative industry at some capacity for a very long time, whether it started with photography on film years ago and print design to website design and development to identity design, you name it. I've done a little bit of everything. I was around doing creative work even before digital photography was a thing. So we're going to talk that's what I think helps me to be a little bit more unique from a lot of these people that are out there, talking about digital marketing now and helping you try to build your business. I've got a ton of experience in this, and everything I teach you guys is coming from my personal experiences from building businesses for years, whether it be from before I was self-employed and I actually worked for businesses around the country in their marketing departments, to becoming like a solopreneur, so to speak, where I was just like one guy doing stuff for lots of different people, or whether it be from me managing my team of 10 people in an agency. All of these things that I teach come from the experiences that I've acquired over the course of my career. So I think that makes me very unique in comparison to a lot of people who are just kind of diving out there saying that they're going to help you grow your business when they actually don't have experience at all. And I have consistently helped clients to build and optimize their businesses using strategic digital marketing strategies that has resulted in millions of dollars worth of sales, guys. Millions for years. I have some clients now where my team helps them generate up to $300,000 a month in sales on their e-commerce stores. We have other clients where they have one event and they generate $200,000, to a single event. So I have the results that proves that the things that I am teaching you actually does work. It's no BS. It's actually working methods that I've used for years, and they're current too, right? Because marketing changes over time. Things that are working today didn't work before, or whatever the case may be. And so my experience really is heavily focused nowadays in educating teams how to implement strategies that actually work. So that's one of the things that I have the biggest passion for, is working with teams or people individually to help them implement strategies that work. I do it all the time in my agency. I do it with my coaching groups online. And when you follow my programs, my clients benefit by being able to scale their monthly revenue if you actually follow the things that I teach, resulting in the ability to change lives, guys. Whether it be for a business that is already established and has gone from like struggling to to actually find a way to scale their online business and being able to double sales in 60 days. This is a case study of one of my clients from a year or so ago, where we literally helped them implement strategies that doubled their sales from $100,000 a month to $200,000 a month in 60 days. So these are the type of things that change lives. Or maybe it's somebody who has never had an online business at all, a digital marketing business or an online business at all, and they have never generated a single sale. And now I'm helping them generate $10K a month in revenue. That changes lives, guys. That changes lives. So these are the type of things that we're going to focus on in this podcast. And guys, I am super excited about this because I've been wanting to do this this style and format of a podcast for quite some time. It's just I haven't really had the bandwidth to do it, but we're gonna do it, and we're launching it this year. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much for taking the time to actually listen to this introductory episode. There's more to come. I would really appreciate it if you guys could go ahead and subscribe to this podcast. Subscribe and follow the Conquer Podcast. It would mean the world to me. It would help me be able to get my message out to other people that need it. And you know, honestly, it's just my passion to be able to help others. So subscribe to the podcast. I also want to encourage you to suggest topics and ask questions in the episodes, because I have a gut feeling on the type of things that a lot of people would enjoy listening to and learning from. But it's always beneficial if you're able to give me some insight on things that you have questions about too. So by all means, put your questions and comments in the comments section of the podcast, and just send me a note. I'd love to be able to answer your questions. So thank you so much for listening to this first episode, introductory episode of the Conquer Podcast. And in the next episode, we'll be diving right into how you can start an online business with very little experience and investment, so you can begin to generate monthly income that will change your life. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next episode.